Hello family, greetings to you all and welcome back to my channel. It's your brother Chief Lamashawiya Persona sending my peaceful and lovely greetings to you all from a community called Chanshegu. Chanshegu is located in Tamale. It's located just nearby Tamale. It's about 10 minutes drive away from downtown. It's about 10 minutes drive away downtown Tamale. And tonight I'm sharing with you a traditional playing, drumming and dancing we call Simpa dance. And this Simpa dance has to do with men and women. It has to do with men and women dancing together with peace, love and harmony. So one thing about my videos is that I don't edit my videos. I just show you the reality and you see what is going on the grounds in Africa. So this dance is called the Simpa dance. It is danced mostly by younger men and young women. This is what we have to do as Africans. We have to play together in peace and enjoy whatever we do together, both men and women, young ladies and young women. So while playing this, they are also singing along. and they have the lead vocalist that we call Gawani. In Dagbale, we call this man Gawani. He's the one who sings for them to respond to the singing. That is, the women are the back vocalists. So the man is the lead vocalist, and the women, I'm talking about the young girls that you're hearing right now. They are the back vocalists to the man who is singing as a lead singer. So I'm sorry for the background of the video. It is due to some dust that comes out from the grounds on this performance. This man with the blue shirt is the lead singer. He's the lead singer, and he sings for the women to be the back vocalist, meaning they are responding to his singings. So you see, this is typical African tradition. This is very, very typical African tradition that all of us has to know and learn. And then also, please don't forget to share this important information. This is very, very important for all of us to know. And this is because we have lost so much for over 400 years that we have to gain back. This is what is happening at home in Africa. If you want to know the reality about what is happening home in Africa, this is exactly what you have to know. Because you have nowhere to learn this but from my channel. So family, like I always tell you, if you're going to learn so much about our tradition, this is who we are as Africans. We are one people under one umbrella. It's your brother, Chief Lamashawiyepal Sugulana, also known as Prince Ayoko, sharing this important information with you. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and click on the notifications bell, as well as share this content with your families and friends. This happens to be my friend's mother's funeral. He invited me very late, and I have to come over to attend to the ceremony, but I don't want to do that without sharing that with you, and that's why I want all of you to have your share of what I experience. From my experience. So thank you so much, family, for watching. I appreciate you all. I'm sorry, family, I wasn't prepared for this. I am not well prepared for this important information. But the least information that I have, I'm going to share that with you. Just because, you know what, we are all one people. And I have to share with you what we have lost for a long time that you have to learn. So this is not an edited video. Whatever I share with you on my channel is real. It's very, very real. And I don't, fake. I don't fake on whatever I share with you. So one important thing about this kind of events is that this is where our younger generations learn. This is where they learn our culture and traditions in Africa, as well as the Dagbon Kingdom, to be precise. I'm talking about the culture and traditions of the Dagbon Kingdom in northern Ghana. So family, thank you so much for your share, for watching, and thank you so much for coming along to see and to watch and to learn, as well as feel happy about whatever we do in Africa. As I already told you, I'm not prepared to take this kind of videos because it was almost time for me to sleep when they invited me to come to this occasion. So I'm gonna thank you all for watching and thank you all for your time. Till we meet again on my next channel, on my next video. It's your brother Chief Lamashawiya Wulana sending my peaceful and lovely greetings to you all from Chanshagu, a suburb of Tamale. Thank you all for watching and thank you all for your time. And please don't forget to put your comments on the comment section. Just please don't forget to share this with your families and friends and leave your comments on the comment section so that you ask whatever question you want to ask about this competition. Like it's not a kind of competition, but we call it competition. But it's a traditional drumming and dancing we call Simpa. Simpa dance is for younger women and younger men. But sometimes older men and older women also do take part in this kind of drumming and dancing. Thank you so much for your time and thank you so much for your patience. Till we meet again, stay blessed, stay focused, and have a wonderful evening. Peace. It's very dark here.